Creating multiple subtotals. In the previous lesson, we had explored how we can use Excel to create a single subtotal. In this lesson, we will learn how to create multiple subtotals. That is, subtotals for two or more fields in a dataset. Creating multiple subtotals. Continuing with the example from the earlier lesson, let's say you wanted to find out the value, that is, how much of each product was sold to the public sector and industrial sector respectively. In other words, we're working with three fields together: product, sector, and value. Unlike the previous lesson where we had considered only two, namely product and value. Here's how this is done. Step 1. Use the custom sort function. Now, we need to sort data in multiple fields, that is, product and sector, because you are trying to find out how much of each product was sold to a given sector. For this, a simple A to Z sorting feature will not suffice. Instead, we must use the custom sort feature under Data. Note, the custom sort feature is different from the regular A to Z sort feature, which is used when data under only one field must be sorted. Let's compare the dataset having only one sort and the other having two sorts applied to it. Here's what your data looks like when you apply sort only to the product field. Observe under crude oil, we have multiple sectors. This is what a dataset looks like where both fields, product and sector, have been sorted. The sectors field, you will observe, have also sorted alphabetically. Here's how you sort multiple fields. In the Data tab, select the custom sort functionality. A dialog box will open. In the dialog box, choose the field that you want to sort the data by first. In our case, that will be product. Next, add the field that you also want the data sorted by along with the previous one. Click Add Level and choose Sector under Then By. Click OK. You will observe that the data has been sorted by both product and sector. Step 2. Create subtotals for the multiple fields that you have identified. First, create subtotals for the first field, that is, product. Like earlier, click on Data and then Subtotal. Choose Product, Sum and Value, million barrels, under the @ChangeIn, Use function, and Add Subtotal to in the dialog box. Click OK. Next, move on to creating subtotals as per the next field, sector in our case as well. Once again, click Data and then Subtotal. Only now, choose Sector, Sum and Value, million barrels, under the @ChangeIn, Use function, and Add Subtotal to in the dialog box. Click OK. But this time, I really need you to pay attention here. Uncheck replace the current subtotals. This is the most important part, because if you forget to do this, your previous subtotal will be overwritten. Click OK. Voila! You now have your data sorted by product and sector. Exploring the outlines. Sorting by two fields gives us 4 outlines. Level 4 will show us all the data with the totals, but if you want to see a consolidated version of this, just skip over to level 3 and level 2. Level 1 will only show you the grand total.